Hi, this is Ranveer, and today we're talking about something insane. The internet as we know it is dying, but not because of hackers or a shutdown. No, something much bigger is happening. Let me explain. AI is taking over everything. Blogs, videos, social media posts, even entire businesses. Here's something crazy. More than 50% of the articles you read online are written by AI. AI-powered YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars a month with zero human effort. Deepfake influencers are replacing real models, and some brands don't even hire humans anymore. Sounds cool, right? But wait, it gets scarier. AI isn't just creating content. It's flooding the internet with fake, misleading, and low-quality information. For example, fake product reviews written by AI. Can you trust anything you buy online? Deepfake politicians saying things they never actually said. Who's lying? AI-generated news articles with no real sources. Can you tell the truth from the fake? And the worst part? Even social media is filled with AI bots. Fake influencers, fake followers, fake comments. The internet is becoming a giant illusion. Now here's the big question. Is AI killing creativity, or is it just evolving it? Some believe AI will replace human creators completely, but others say AI is just a tool that can help us create faster, better, and smarter. Think about it. AI is writing songs, creating art, editing videos. But does that mean humans are no longer needed? Will we still have original content? Or will the internet become one big AI-generated machine? So, is AI destroying the internet, or is it the future of content? Comment real if you think human creativity should stay, or AI if you believe AI will take over. And if you want to stay ahead in this fast-changing world of tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button. More crazy insights are coming your way. See you in the next one.